Well, we've all witnessed it now. These Democrats in the House pandering to the black vote by wearing African garb.
It's better not to have on high heels.
Well, this African woman has a serious problem with that. And after she's done excoriating the Democrats, let me tell you one more connection that African garb has to slavery.
Hi friends, I'm usually either too busy or too lazy to make this kind of quick video response. But today something happened and I thought it's actually important enough that I get in front of my camera and make a short video to explain something short enough for me to post on Twitter. I was just looking online today, like most of you, and what did I see? A bunch of Democrat politicians kneeling down, of which I have nothing to say about that because I am not an American. However, they were all having around their necks this colorful fabric, which I'm sure they put around their necks as some kind of mark or show of unity or solidarity with black people. So in other words, they are putting forward the kente material or this colorful fabric they had around their necks as some kind of placating sign or symbol to show that they are not racist and they are together with black people. Excuse me, dear Democrats, in your tokenism, you didn't wait to find out that this thing that you're hanging around your neck is not just some African uniform. It's actually the kente material. The kente belongs to the Ghanaian people, mainly the Ashanti tribe. Excuse me, Democrats, don't treat Africans like we're children. These fabrics and these, colorful things that we have within our culture and tradition, they all mean something to us. I know you look at us and you say, oh, Africans, you're so cute in all your colorful dresses. Well, some of those dresses and patterns and colors and fabrics actually do mean something to us. Some of them belong to ancient tribes and mean something to them. So why are you using it as your own show of non-racism or your own show of virtue? Why are you using the kente material to signal your virtue? Stop it. We are not children. Africans are not children, and leave our tradition and our culture to us. And if you don't know much about it, ask somebody. I'm sure there would have been something else you could have done to show your solidarity with black people, instead of taking the kente material and making a little show of it.
Thank you very much. From an African woman breaking it down why these Democrats are truly just pandering to black folks when they have no idea what they're even doing. I don't think they care what those scarves mean, but let me break down to you a little bit more about where that scarf comes from that they had around their necks. That comes from the Ashanti tribe. You know what the Ashanti tribe was known for? Selling slaves all around the world. Oh yeah, go look it up. So isn't it interesting that the Democrats, trying to pander to black folks, wore something that actually represented a tribe that sold slaves? Please share this message. Americans need to understand just how low these Democrats are willing to go. And if you like this message, you'll love my podcast. Go search David J. Harris Jr. on your favorite podcast platform.